Hey Magic Coders, nice to meet you all. My name is Nav and I work with imagiLabs as an Android developer. I'm also a student studying computer science as an undergraduate, and currently I live and I work in Dubai. And this is my desk. Today I'm going to be talking to you about creating a password checker using the imagiLabs app and an imagi charm. We used a password checker to check your passwords when you created an account on the imagiLabs app. The sample project that I created has 3 password levels: weak, medium, and strong. Weak passwords are shorter than 8 characters. Medium passwords are longer than 8 characters and have either only numbers or only letters. Strong passwords are longer than 8 characters and have both numbers and letters. Based on the security level of the password, I am able to display different designs on an imagi charm that tell me how strong my password is. For example, a weak password gives me this confused and angry skull. A medium password gives me this smiley face. And a strong password gives me this flashing star. So the challenge for today is to create your own password checker. You can either build off my code and change the different designs that show up for the different password security levels, or you can create different security levels altogether, or you can create a completely new project from scratch. Make sure that you don't share any actual passwords in the imagiLabs app though. You can always browse our learning hub for some more resources, and feel free to reach out to us on our Discord if you need any more help. I really look forward to seeing all of your projects, and happy coding!